Hello viewers, again welcome. So viewers, in this video we show you very beautiful and amazing designs of mason jars, ideas, recycle ideas. And if you think empty bottle is a trash, empty jar is a trash, so you are wrong. In this video we show you how trash turn into treasures. So these beautiful designs are useful for every home. Every home has empty jars, has empty bottles. So viewers, you can watch in this video. These are very popular and most beautiful designs and easy to make at home. You can take just empty jar, clean it with warm water and dry it. Then apply glue. You have to take glue gun, burlap craft, some cherries like red pearl or green snowflakes or green grass. You can take it and just mixture of these things. You will it would be a beautiful messengers came out. So viewers, these are most healthy mindfulness ideas, and if you will create these ideas, it's gonna be relax you and most beautiful ideas came out. So let's have a look. In this video we show you how to turn your trash bottles into treasures. Make centerpiece of your house, make centerpiece of your table, wall corner, anything you want to make. So, and this is the season of purchasing and many things. It's a third trimester, and holiday upcoming, and New Year coming, Xmas coming. It's a especially theme of Xmas. So you can make your jars beautiful, and it's time to grab your cocoa and some and think about that. What do you think? How can you start with business with it? So make your article beautiful and outstanding. Different type of idea you can make, and if your article is powerful, you will definitely grow your business. So take a picture and post on social media, upload video and tell a story behind that, because people wants to buy a story and wants to buy beautiful product. So if your product is meaningful, if your ads, you can also take option to customize your for your customer, customize the order for your customer demand, and many more things you can add. So it will gonna help you to grow your business. So post on social media, some google ads, purchase some google ads and post it. So you will definitely know about that, how you grow your business and your product. Design easy to make, easy to use. Recycle mason jars recycle. So it's a very healthy idea for our earth and planet, and it's time to make something, it's time to grow something. So grow your business and grab your cocoa and listen to my advices. So viewers, this video gonna show you very decent and interesting designs, because everybody has mason jars, used jars, trash bottles. So why don't you use that? You can use that in many more ideas, like you can make pencil holder with it, zipper with it, or you can make mason jars with candle, add some fairy lights and make some candle holder and some make some lamps like that, makeup holder. So these designs gonna show you very beautiful and interesting designs and ideas, many ideas of how to use that, and you can use that very beautifully. So hope you liked that all designs and ideas. If you like the ideas, so you can comment on my channel, you can subscribe my video if you like the video. So in this video we give you a very beautiful mason jars, recycle ideas, and use some jute rope, add some jute rope, jute craft, add some different types of collection. So these designs especially for upcoming holiday season, and these designs is useful for upcoming holiday season, and very beautiful designs and very beautiful ideas. If you want to make pencil holder, you can decorate it, you can cut it. If this is a without lid, you can use as a pencil holder, you can color on it, you can make some different types of thing, you can add some colors, beads, and many more things. You can add with mason jars, you can add some beads, and you can tie on jute rope, tie on a knot. And if you want to make some lamps, so you can add some fairy light, put on fairy lights on it, and add some roses, it will be a glowing vase. And if you, as you know, as shown in this picture, in this video, so these designs are interesting or not, you can tell us on my comment section. Your comments are very beautiful, and thanks you for commenting on my video. I am really thankful to you who are came out with hardworking and timing, and thank you for your concern, and thank you for your response. I think Mubina Batul is my favorite subscriber because she commented on my channel with her name. So viewers, these designs are not interesting, are not beautiful. These designs is a very interesting, beautiful, and so much fun with that. It is a very mindful ideas for everyone. Mindful ideas, because these are very beautiful messengers, mindful ideas. I am really thankful to you are watching this, because these are very interesting and useful design. And if you watch this, you want to make this, you also want to make this and make some difference in this year and save the planet, because these gonna trash and stayed many times in on planet, like ocean and everywhere.